5G is not, as I mentioned previously, just about fully mobile services. Fixed wireless access has become a key element of the 5G service package. GSA undertakes a twice yearly research project to visit the websites of all known LTE and 5G public network operators to review if they're offering fixed wireless access services based on LTE or 5G, and if so, what their service offers are. Now, the latest round of research was undertaken during November and only just completed, and we collected data about services delivered using indoor and outdoor CPE. And it focuses on fixed wireless access only using LTE or 5G technologies. We don't count fixed wireless access based on other technologies such as WiMAX or proprietary solutions. When we talk about fixed wireless access, we only include services based on a fixed location CPE, so the CPE requiring a mains electricity connection. That doesn't, of course, mean it can't be moved from one office or house to another, but it does mean you can't walk around the street with it. So we don't count dongles and those sorts of things as fixed wireless access devices. We also exclude industrial grade equipment, technology designed for private networks or IoT deployments. But we've seen, nonetheless, looking at the provision of fixed wireless access based on 5G for consumers and businesses, 81 operators that are now marketing services, and that's up more than 84% in 12 months. And I think you'll agree that's quite a tremendous growth. If we look at the way they're packaging those 5G fixed wireless access services, nearly a third of service providers only promote speed-based tariff structures. Just over a third promote volume-based tariff structures, and around 9% offer both. And then there are a small sample that provide other types of tariff structures, maybe based on device subscriptions or that sort of thing. So there's a variety of other different things there. But those trends are quite different from LTE, where volume-based structures dominate. And it's been evolving quite quickly within the 5G market, where volume-based structures were much more prevalent last year. So as operators are bringing 5G fixed wireless on stream, they're promoting the speed benefits that 5G fixed wireless access can offer, and they're reflecting that in their tariff structures to attract customers. If we look at the quoted speeds, for 5G speed data has become more readily available over the last year, and we've now got data on the maximum downlink speeds for 5G fixed wireless access from 53 operators, compared with 36 that we could find data for in June 2021. And the quoted peak speeds range from 50 megabits per second up to 4.2 gigabits per second downlink, with just over half of them sitting in the 250 megabits per second to the 1000 megabits per second range. Now, I should emphasize that's not your average or your typical speeds. Those are the headline speeds that are being marketed and offered by operators to attract customers to the service. But I think that the key thing to note here is that fixed wireless access based on 5G is here and now, and operators are pushing it hard.